We are just a few hours away now from Apple's big event, the biggest event of the year for the company, expected to unveil the iPhone 15 as well as some other gadgets. Let's find out what the street is focused on. Joining us is Martin Yang, Oppenheimer Emerging Technologies Senior Analyst. He's got a buy rating on Apple and a price target of 220. So given some of the concerns lately around China, the geopolitics, potential revenue hit in that growth area, what do you think they can announce today to get the street excited?
I think one thing we'll focus on is the A16 chip, and that is reportedly will have a very meaningful performance improvement over last year's A16. And the last year and the year before the last, we also only see single-digit performance upgrades. But this year, reportedly will have 20 to 30% performance upgrades. So that A16 chip performance can largely alleviate concerns on longer-term competition Apple could face from Huawei, because Huawei is 3 to 4 years behind Apple going forward. It just can't compete beyond the Mate 60 product cycle to Apple in terms of power efficiency and performance.
That's really interesting. In other words, you want to hear from them updates and innovations around the chips in a direct response to some of the investor concerns around Huawei in China?
I don't think this performance upgrade is going to only serve to alleviate concerns on competition, but also lay the roadmap for Apple to do bigger things on machine learning and AI on the device.
How does that fit into just the iPhone release today and where we are in the sales cycle and the upgrade cycle?
Sure. So I think, much bigger performance upgrade will push consumers to purchase the Pro and Pro Max model, and overall continue to raise the average selling price for Apple into the Apple 15 cycle.
So you're at 220. Do you think these fears are overblown around China? Is that what it's about lately? Or do you think there's something else going on?
In the near term, we do see very material pressure on sales for iPhone 15 in China due to the Huawei Mate 60 launch. But longer term, I don't think that fear or that competition can last. So longer term, we're still very constructive. But near term, we're cautious to see how their China sales will pan out and how the China government ban on iPhone gets executed in the next couple quarters.
How do you put that into a model?
Sure. So when we think about the lifetime sales for Mate 16, it's likely in the range of 10 to 15 million from now to 2024. And, put into perspective how Mate 16 can capitalize on both Android and iPhone sales, we think that would be 1 to 2 split. So, upward towards maybe 5 million iPhones in China, the upgraders gets replaced by Mate 16 buyers.
All right. Well, Martin, appreciate you coming on to help preview the event.